raised their coffee cup. The trio of 𝐏𝐫𝐨𝐻𝐵. In the heart of the bustling digital metropolis of 𝐏𝐫𝐴𝐻𝐵, tucked away in a cozy little cafe called the Code Cup, three of the city's most famous residents met for their afternoon coffee. 𝐶𝐾𝐬, the wise librarian with an S= emblem on her jacket, 𝐿, the master architect with a steaming coffee cup on his tie, and 𝐵𝐻𝐵, the creative artist with a friendly green snake on her sweater. "It's funny how we all ended up working together," 𝐵𝐻𝐵 said, joining them with her pet snake, 𝐸ndy. "I remember when it was just me in my library," 𝐶𝐾𝐬 began. "My father, the great logician �K�OD, and my mother, 𝐸𝑚𝐚, always taught me the importance of order. I was born in the summer of '74, when Codeville was just beginning to need structure. Information was everywhere. It was chaos. I needed a way to ask for specific data, a structured query language, if you will. I created a system where every piece of information had its place," 𝐶𝐾𝐬 continued. "My language was very precise. It was perfect for managing huge databases and making sure everything was secure and organized. My motto was, a place for everything and everything in its place." 𝐵𝐻𝐵 smiled, "And that's when I came to Codeville. I was born in '91. My parents were a diverse group, the strict and powerful C, the educational ABC, the structured Modula 3, and the wise old Lisp. My father, C, was brilliant, but oh, so complicated. I saw your wonderful orderly library, 𝐶𝐾𝐬, but it all seemed so rigid. I thought programming should be as easy and readable as writing a poem." "I didn't need to organize massive libraries," 𝐵𝐻𝐵 said. "I wanted to create art, automate simple tasks, and help scientists analyze data. So I made a language that was simple, friendly, and versatile. I was all about getting things done with as few lines of code as possible." 𝐁𝐫 chuckled. "I came along a few years after you. My father, the visionary architect Gosling, and my mother, Oak, had a different dream for me when I was created in '95. I was meant to build huge, powerful applications that could run on any computer in Codeville, from the biggest mainframes to the smallest devices. Write once, run anywhere was my goal. To do that," 𝐁𝐫 explained, "I created my trusty assistant, the Java Virtual Machine, or JVM for short. He's a clever little robot who translates my blueprints so that any system can understand them. My creations were robust and secure, built to last." 𝐶𝐾𝐬 nodded thoughtfully. "But your simple language, 𝐵𝐻𝐵, needed my organized data." 𝐁𝐫 added, "And my big applications needed your data too. And 𝐵𝐻𝐵, your clever scripts made it so much easier to connect our systems." "Exactly," 𝐵𝐻𝐵 exclaimed. "My connectors could talk to 𝐶𝐾𝐬's library and also work with 𝐁𝐽's big applications. We were all solving different problems, but our solutions worked best when they worked together." The three friends raised their coffee cups. They were the trio of Codeville, the librarian, the artist, and the architect. Each one was different, but together they could build anything. They showed everyone that the best things are built with teamwork.